If you have a big Google sheet, sorting and filtering helps you make sense of it. Filtering narrows down the rows, and sorting puts them in a useful order. And neither one of those things deletes your data. I'll show you. All right, we'll start with some basic filtering, which narrows down our spreadsheet. So select any cell with information, then go to the Data tab and create a filter. And maybe I'll first filter by priority to only show those that were high or critical. So I'm going to clear it and then choose critical and high. Then I'll go to the category and filter for those related to an outage. So I'm going to clear it again and just choose the outage. And then also maybe by customer. So I'm going to clear those and then just look for the banks. I'll select these two. And as one last filter, maybe I'll filter by days open to only look at those that were open more than 5 days. So on this drop down, I'm going to choose filter by condition and look for greater than 5 as my value. So now I've got 3 tickets that were high or critical related to an outage at a bank that was open more than 5 days. Okay, to remove the filters and to hide all the rows, go to Data and Remove Filter. Now we'll look at sorting. This doesn't hide data like filtering does. It just reorders them. Actually, one easy way to do this is to add another filter. So go back to Data and create a filter. And maybe we'll sort by customer from A to Z. And then by days open, smallest to largest, which is also A to Z in this case. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more of them. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a full course on Google Sheets in the links below.